Flying an RC helicopter is pure magic. You press a button, and suddenly you're piloting a machine that defies gravity. But not all choppers are created equal, and choosing wrong can mean endless crashes or emptying your wallet. That's why I've tracked down the top 5 best RC helicopters you can actually buy right now. From budget-friendly trainers to jaw-dropping military replicas that'll make your neighbors stop and stare. As always, links are in the description. Let's head right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the SYMA S107HE RC helicopter, our top budget pick. If you're looking for something incredibly easy to fly, this is your starting point. This compact chopper features one-button takeoff and landing. That means absolute beginners can get it airborne without breaking a sweat. But here's the thing. The built-in gyroscope and altitude hold are the real stars here. Altitude hold keeps the helicopter hovering at a steady height without constant remote input. That makes it exceptionally stable for indoor flights. Now, you might wonder about crashes. We all know they happen. Fortunately, this model boasts a full alloy metal body. It's highly crash-resistant. Lots of users report it easily survives those inevitable bumps against living room walls. It also runs on a 2.4 GHz frequency. In simple words, multiple helicopters can fly close together without their signals crossing. Plus, it offers dual speed modes. You can start on low speed to practice safely indoors. From there, you can switch to high speed once your skills improve. By the way, it's even Climate Pledge Friendly certified. That means it meets strict sustainability standards by offsetting carbon emissions. But there's a slight catch to keep in mind. The battery life is definitely on the shorter side. You get about 10 to 15 minutes of airtime per charge, and the charging process takes roughly an hour. I say that because you'll probably want the 2-battery version. That way, you can easily extend your playtime. It makes a fantastic gift for kids aged 8 to 12, but you can still have an absolute blast with it as an adult too. Next, we have the Ssccgym 315mm C032, which is quite a serious step up from the previous one. Think of it as a flying collectible. It's a highly detailed scale model of the real UH-1 aircraft. The fuselage is 297 millimeters long with a 315 millimeter rotor, and it uses tough PA and PC plastics for solid durability. The copter features a single propeller aileronless design. That means simpler mechanics and much smoother control. Under the hood, a brushless main motor pairs with a hollow cup tail motor. This setup gives you impressive power and a longer lifespan. Now, you might wonder how it handles the hovering. Well, it packs a 6-axis electronic gyroscope and a barometer. This keeps your hovering completely steady. But here's the thing. It also uses optical flow positioning alongside TOF laser radar. In simple words, this dual system guarantees precise stability outdoors and indoors. It's a 6-channel machine truly designed for adults and expert flyers. With the upgraded general bearing controller, the flight response is incredibly smooth. You can easily perform advanced aerobatic tricks. That means flying upside down and executing 3D rolls. You also get 3 different speed modes to play with. It even includes a built-in lighting system for visibility in low light. But that doesn't mean safety takes a back seat. You still get one-click takeoff and an emergency landing button. Just keep it away from very young kids due to small parts. As for power, the 7.4-volt 350 mAh lithium battery provides solid airtime. You get about 13 to 18 minutes of flight. Recharging takes roughly 60 to 70 minutes. Plus, you get an impressive control range of 150 to 200 meters. It's an amazing choice for hobbyists craving realism and high-end performance. And then, we have the Xiang F02S AirWolf. If you grew up loving classic TV shows, this one is a nostalgic treat. It's a highly realistic 1:34 scale replica of the legendary American AirWolf helicopter. The hot runner injection molded fuselage gives it high toughness and precise details. Let me explain what makes it tick. The CNC precision machined rotor head keeps things lightweight yet highly durable. Plus, the carbon fiber and nylon rotor blades provide strong lift and excellent impact resistance. Underneath that detailed shell, you get serious power. It rocks a 2511 1200 kV brushless main motor. That means you get low noise and high torque. The 1204 5500 kV brushless tail motor ensures a fast response and stable tail lock. But here's the interesting part. The GPS intelligent flight control system pairs perfectly with the dual-axis flybarless stabilization. Add in optical flow and laser radar positioning, and you get exact pinpoint hovering. You can even fly smoothly in 6 to 8 mile-per-hour winds. It's packed with smart flight modes too. You get one key return, an electronic safety fence, and automated figure-8 flights. You control everything through a professional 8-channel transmitter. This remote features an HD display with real-time telemetry. It feeds back altitude, speed, and battery life instantly. It even supports open-source ELR's receivers. Now, about that power source. The 7.4-volt 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery delivers 10 to 12 flight minutes. Recharging via Type-C takes roughly 60 minutes, and this battery lasts through 500 charge cycles with built-in overcharge protection. Just keep in mind that the GPS lock can drain the battery pretty quickly. Also, you might need spare parts after any major crashes. But for serious hobbyists wanting a premium outdoor experience, this is still a fantastic option. Moving up to number 2, the GoAssemb FLYWING Bell 412 is where things get seriously impressive. This is a 470 class military replica that commands attention. The body stretches 750 millimeters long with an 810 millimeter main rotor span. That's substantial presence in the air, yet it weighs just 1,000 grams without the battery, keeping it surprisingly agile for its size. Here's what makes it special. The ACE flight controller pairs with Beidou GPS for omnidirectional stability. We're talking plus minus 1.5 meter horizontal accuracy and plus minus 0.5 meter vertical precision when hovering. That's rock-solid stability, even outdoors. The powertrain is equally serious. A 3508 brushless main motor works with a 2008 tail drive motor, both managed by a 60A dual brushless ESC. The result? Smooth throttle response and genuine 3D aerobatic capability. You can flip, roll, and fly inverted with confidence. Now, you get 4 smart flight modes to grow into. There's upright and inverted position hold, auto route for preset circles and figure 8S, plus a 3D mode for aggressive stunts. Assisted semi-automatic flight helps when you're learning new maneuvers. Fail-safe functions cover U2, one-key return, low battery return, and lost signal return all built in. The reinforced swash plate and 470L grade shafts deliver ultra-precise control. The flybarless rotor system with custom NACA8H12 propellers ensures efficient, responsive flight. Quick-release propellers and a torsion spring belt pulley mean maintenance takes minutes, not hours. The full metal main gear and industrial M3 arc tooth belt are built to last through countless flights. It's marketed as RTF, ready to fly for adults and advanced enthusiasts. The hand-painted integrated case adds a collector-grade finish that looks stunning on display or in the air. Flight time typically runs 12 to 16 minutes depending on your battery choice, and the electronic display charger keeps you informed during charging. If you want professional-grade performance with military authenticity and smart GPS features, this is your machine. And finally, we've reached number 1. The FLYWING MH-60T Jayhawk stands at the absolute peak of our list. This is a 470 class scale replica of the legendary search and rescue helicopter, and the craftsmanship is genuinely stunning. Every detail has been obsessively recreated, from the aviation art finish to the functional LED indicator lights that add authentic realism during flight. It's ready to fly right out of the box, complete with transmitter, 4S 5000 mAh battery, charger, and all necessary accessories. Here's where it gets truly impressive. The ACE flight controller delivers advanced stabilization that makes this helicopter accessible despite its complexity. The ATT self-leveling mode automatically corrects flight attitude in real time, which dramatically reduces pilot workload when you're learning. The coordinated turn system creates realistic banking turns with smooth fuselage roll, just like the real Jayhawk. You get 3 adjustable flight modes to match your skill level. Soft mode keeps things gentle and beginner-friendly. Standard mode offers balanced RPM and flight angles for everyday flying. But when you're ready, Sport mode unleashes maximum power with aggressive flight angles and faster response. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. One-key return to home brings your helicopter back automatically. Low battery auto return prevents unexpected crashes. There's even takeoff protection that requires your battery to be above 75% before launch. Compass calibration can be triggered directly from the transmitter. No computer connection needed. The battery delivers approximately 18 minutes of flight time. That's notably longer than most competitors in this class. The included charger and cables keep you powered up efficiently. Now, keep in mind that this isn't a toy for children or teens. It's built for adults and experienced RC pilots who demand the best. The exquisite scale details and smooth handling have earned it perfect ratings from early adopters. If you want the ultimate combination of realistic design, intelligent flight systems, and extended airtime, the MH-60T Jayhawk is simply unmatched. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at FLYWING.